cut the celery into paysanne, first of all, there's something I like to do before using celery ribs, is to peel them. So with a paring knife, I'm going to just to get the strings. So like so. There I'm picking up the strings. This is pretty tough. So I like to remove it all the time. Let's take another one. Good. And remove the leaves too. Cut the celery in half. Then cut it into little sticks, lengthwise, and finally into little cubes or rectangles. About 4 millimeters, 4-5 millimeters pieces. And if a rib is bigger, just divide it in two. There we go. Do the same with the remaining ribs.